Uy, may tao dun. Yun, gumalaw na. On our way to the airport, galing city tour. Video. It's around 1:20. 4 hours ba? 4 hour flight. Yun. Ito na. Airport na to. Airport road. So, Island Stays Hotel. Island Souvenir. Meron ng Island Hotel. Alright, see you later. Here we are. There's Waterfront Airport Hotel. On our way to departure. There you go. Control tower. Up. And here we are. Departure area. International departure. So, saan pwede makabili ng lechon?
Tingnan natin yung lechon. Sa labas daw ng airport Tingnan natin sa kaliwa. Lechon. Sa Zubuchon.
Philippine Airlines.
Ito, Ayer lechon.
Ayan.
Si Ayer, pero si Zubuchon, I don't know.
Yan na lang.
Bago ka pumasok.
Airport na ba ito?
Yes.
Yan yung price. So I got the 1 kilo Ayer sa lechon. I'm not trying to promote, pero ayan. Yung domestic departure. Siguro dyan ako papasok. Yep. First time ko dito in about 12 years. Okay. Okay lang. It's around 1:30. Nasa na ako. Okay, so ito na. Dito na uli kami. Off to the Philippine Airlines. Ayun yung pila. Nandito ako nang galing. Yan. Okay, medyo hassle lang kasi may dala na ako lechon, no? Manding yung bag. Okay, ito na si Kuya. I-issue yung boarding pass. Saan po yung lounge naman niya?
Pasok na sir, departure lobby.
Dito sa kaliwa. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Sige.
So as of 1:45, ito, ganito karaming tao. Mostly Air, Sea Air passengers, airfield. Tapos Philippine Airlines, wala pa gaano. As you can see from there. Try to ask kung pwedeng yan yung flight ko. Pwede ako sa 2:30. Pero mag-add ako ng 3K. So sabi, sige, na lang. So dito ako ngayon. Pasok ako dyan. Or mabuhay class. Ay, mabuhay lounge. Sige, pasok na tayo. Right. Here's the chaos sa security check. Ganyan. And I'm gonna tell you a story later. Ano yung nangyari yan. Kaya may na-inspection. Ano yan, may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Okay. Pasok na tayo sa lounge. Here we go. If any one of you lalapit sa labas ng lounge, ito yung password ng lounge ng Cebu. So kanina yung bag ko kasi may umbrella yan. And then sa sobrang chaos nga doon, parang sabi parang may bag daw, may backpack daw. Tatlong backpack na magkakatabi yung amin. Akin yung nasa gitna. So hindi makikita nung nag-check sa security kung ano bang kanino bang backpack yung may umbrella, kasi may note sa labas, bawal daw yung umbrella. Tapos sabi, isa daw sa mga backpack doon yung may umbrella. Alam ko sa akin yung kinuha ko agad yung akin. Tapos sabay alis ako. Tapos yung dalawang backpack doon yung binubusisay ko may umbrella. Tapos ayun, umalis na ako. Ayun yung food ng lounge. Mamaya bigyan ko kayo ng better view. It's now 2:45 and I'm freaking bored. Just do plane spotting. People spotting.
West Virginia liner was one case. I need 1,000 case
proven, so maybe before I can give this to yourself. He
Pilot spotting.
had to lay down in the middle of the floor and throw a tantrum until they started.
Now let's do some baggage spotting. Uy, may tao dun. Yun alone. Bye-bye! Philippine Airlines A330. And parking brakes. Oh no. Here comes an army of green men going to pick up some. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Oh, the cars. There's our plane.
We don't have as many tickets as I think Thompson Smoking thought he might have had.
What you do have is a small percentage of undecided, whose votes will likely determine the winners in both the presidential and Senate races.
Oops, hindi dito. That's our plane and we're boarding. And I'm boarding.
At this time, we're boarding business class passengers.
And I'll go home. It's our plane. Kind of odd. Ako lang isa. It's the three of us sa likod yan. And yung Philippine Airlines plane. Wala na din nakita. Alright, so red carpet. Nandito na si Nakuya. Teka lang. And so we boarded. Pinakita ko yung boarding pass ko. Ayan. Sabi ko, yan wala kang tao. It's just me. It's just me. Walang tao. Literally. 76A, our seat. I don't know if may tao sa likod ko. Feel ko meron. Lagay ko na agad yung lechon. Dito na lang. Dito na lang ang lechon ko. No, actually, sa taas na siya. Lechon. Sana may araw pa kung nag-take off. Alright, see you later.
Tingnan ko kung nandito si Lola.
Let's stop the tower. Oop.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong iPad PR850 Mactan-Cebu. Napatakalan lang.
So actually nakatulog ako sa lounge kanina. Medyo cloudy na ulit. Kasi aalis na daw ako. Naiblip ako sa habang nagbabasa ng Mabuhay Miles magazine sa lounge. Nabasa ko yung mga aswang. Actually kinuha ko yung magazine kasi next time wala dito kaya. Which is wala ka talaga dito. Anyway, puro foreigner dito, puro puti. Ayun lang. Sige na. Later na lang. Pagpaalis na. Tayo lang silang makasettle. Right, bye. Right, this is weird. Tignan nyo. Yung seatbelt ko. So nakikita ko Philippine Airlines. Pero dito, pabaliktad siya. See? Ayan na. Walang katabi. Mamaya yung bag ko, lalagay ko dyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is PR850 now ready to depart for Manila. in command of this aircraft is Captain Mario Bapos, together with first
The overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Don't
Nope, we're
stand
not in a
on the seat.
Vancouver flight.
Seats are for sitting, remember?
We're not in an
To put your
A330
bags in the
Vancouver
overhead
flight.
compartment,
It's
please use the
still
stepboard
a bit
beside your
shiny. Pwera na lang doon. Umuulan. Holy crap.
It's okay.
Anyway,
Sit
ito na.
back and relax.
And
We're just
view.
going to show you a few things that'll make your flight a
Ayun na, turning left. Not sure if meron kaming babaeng pilot. Kasi siya yung huling nag-announce. Sabi niya, cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. And not sure kung cabin crew yun or pilot. Anyway, yun yung runway. That's Cebu City right there. Yun na. Oh. Baba ng clouds, oh. Baba ng clouds. And we're off. That's the Cebu International Airport. And Cebu Bridge. I'm not sure anong pangalan ng bridge na yun, pero andyan ako kanina. Another bridge right there. Export zone. And clouds in just a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cloud level. Yun. So there's Cebu City. Seatbelt signs off. And an amazing view of clouds. Not my two thighs. And may araw pa dun. Oh, here we go. May ilaw na. Yan yung clouds na dinaanan namin, no? Seems like another storm is coming.
Butuan, Cotabato, Cagayan de Oro.
Yan, they're announcing the Airfield Express partnership. Pakinggan nyo lang.
Tacloban, Puerto Princesa, and Zamboanga.
And enjoy the view.
Thank you. Once again, effective October 28, 2012, the following flights will depart and arrive at Manila Terminal 3. Butuan, Cotabato, Cagayan de Oro, Dumaguete, Antipolo, Legazpi, Rojas, Tacloban, Puerto Princesa, and Zamboanga. Thank you.
Right, my snack is served. Sumo cookies sandwich. Happy, as usual, water. And now it's pitch dark outside. Right, it's 6:14. And 1 minute na lang magde-descend na. So, ayun lang, check out this bathroom. Hindi ko man lang naramdaman. Mainit. Ayun. 2 minutes ago, nag-reverse na yung ears ko, nagde-descend na. 3 minutes ago, nag-announce yung pilot, sabi, magde-descend na nga daw. 3 minutes, plus 220 kilometers. Ay, actually, 210 kilometers kami. Yung distance from that point to Manila. Ayun lang. Balik na ako sa seat ko. Bye. Sangli Air Base. Yun. Yung nasa dulong light, Sangli yun. Island Cove below. Yep, yun yung swimming pool ng Island Cove. Gears down. Fishing village. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach.
Runway 6.
In a few minutes, please check the
Sangli, oh.
security fast.
Nagbiblink yung lights. Ito yung runway. Yan yung runway. Hindi nakita yung Ferris wheel from here. Okay, go stop. Here we go, plane spot location for the Philippine Plane Spotters Group. So, welcome. It's more fun in the Philippines. Uy, Emirates. Malaysia Airline. Smooth landing. Wow. That's smooth. Except that one. Uy, Kasay. Up. Masyado shaky. Didn't even use reverse thrust. Wow, sobrang brakes naman yung ginamit. Please.
Nakatawag ka ng mga santong kilala. Sabi ko,
Mga pinipilitan at PINOY, malalapagsulaan natin sa pasigsigan paliparan ng PINOY ang PINOY. Thank you.
There you go. Airplanes. Look smaller in camera.
Ladies and gentlemen, to achieve
8618.
observe the proper course of the plane. We request passengers seated in forward section to disembark first, followed by the passengers seated in the midsection, and so on.
Boom. Baggage.